Have you ever jolted awake at 2 a.m. with a sudden, painful cramp in your calf? Or maybe you spend your days at a desk, constantly rubbing those tight, grinding knots in your neck, trying to find just a little relief. We often think of these aches as a normal part of getting older, or just the result of a long week. But often, your body is simply running out of oil. It needs a mineral called magnesium, which acts like a built-in relaxation system for your muscles. If we look at this label, it lists the clearest signs that your tank is running low. You'll see things like muscle spasms, that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation, and a lingering sense of fatigue. Instead of seeing these as random, isolated problems, you can view them as a single signal that you need to refill the tank and fix the issue at its root. This idea has deep roots. Thousands of years ago, ancient Vedic traditions understood that keeping the body balanced meant soaking up nutrients from the outside as much as from the food we eat. Over the last century, our relationship with the land changed. We started using intense farming methods to grow our food much faster than before. Because crops are grown so quickly now, the soil doesn't have time to rest and replenish its minerals. That means even if you eat a perfectly healthy diet filled with vegetables, the food itself simply doesn't contain the magnesium it used to. We are running a daily deficit because our environment has changed. To fix this, we have to look back to those older ways of caring for the whole body to find a modern solution. The obvious instinct is to swallow a magnesium pill, but a pill has to travel a rough road. It drops into a pool of strong stomach acid, which destroys much of the mineral, and whatever survives often causes an upset stomach. There is a much more direct route. Instead of going in through your mouth, you can skip the stomach entirely and let your body drink the mineral in right through your skin. This works because your skin is actually a highly effective, porous sponge. When you apply minerals to the surface, they slip right through those tiny openings, traveling straight into your muscle tissue and bloodstream. By taking a concentrated mineral salt and dissolving it in water, we get a powerful liquid. It is entirely water-based, but because it is so dense with minerals, it physically feels smooth and slick to the touch, exactly like an oil. This lets you take that essential engine oil and rub it right into the exact knee or shoulder that feels stiff, without having to digest a single pill. Think of this spray as a localized tune-up. You apply it exactly where you feel the tension to deliver relief to a specific target. On this label, the formula is simple, just magnesium chloride and water. No complex chemicals. Down in the caution section, notice this physical reality. When sprayed, you may feel a warm tingle or see a powdery white residue once dry. That tingle is actually proof that the mineral is working and soaking into your body. It is just a small, temporary trade-off for getting relief right where you need it most. Building this tune-up into your daily routine takes almost no effort. Step 1. Reading the directions here, you simply apply 5 to 6 sprays directly onto clean skin. You can aim it right at a sore joint, a tight muscle, or even the soles of your feet to help calm your body down for sleep. Step 2. Gently massage the area. Rubbing the liquid in helps push the minerals past the surface layer of your skin, speeding up how quickly those sore spots get what they need. And step 3 is just a simple adjustment. If that warm, tingling sensation is a bit too strong for you, just add a few drops of water to thin it out, or gently wipe the area with a damp towel. This is a quick, easy habit that works with your body, not against it. It takes less than a minute to fit this maintenance into even the busiest morning. Looking at the benefits column on the bottle, daily use provides support for your whole body. It helps build healthy bones, lowers overall inflammation, and helps you drift into a much deeper, higher quality of sleep. By pulling this mineral straight from the earth and applying it cleanly, we are taking an incredibly old, natural way of caring for ourselves and putting it into a practical, modern bottle. It is about clearing away the daily friction. When your body has the basic materials it needs to run smoothly, it can finally relax. When you trust the wisdom of your skin, you can spray away the tension of a long day and get back to feeling like your best self.